Good morning, good morning. Come on in. What's up, guys? I know it's been a couple of days. Got family over, but we're back. Had a lot of people start telling me, like, oh, did you die in the fires? I'm like, damn, relax. I was like, no, I did not die in the fires, but thank you. I'm perfectly fine. Oof. Okay, so I was actually looking at this and I was like, okay, this is gonna break down very soon, and looks like it already did before we even got to get to our initial play. I was gonna get into it a little bit earlier. That's why I tried to hop on a little bit earlier, but yeah, I wanted this drop. I really wanted that drop. I knew it was gonna happen, but oh well. It already did it. Good morning, good morning. Yes, I did enjoy the family actually. It was actually pretty good. It was fun. They're gonna head out to Arizona now. So it was fun while it lasted. So far we are in a really good uh, position on the 4 hour throughout the whole week. As I said, this could be that bullish week that we get ever since January came around. As you can see, it's been pretty bearish since New Year started, but it's looking like it wants to reach new levels. You know, we're gonna possibly reach the 585.27, 586.89, and then push for the 590s again in the coming weeks, going into inauguration as well. Of course, that can all take a big play, big factor into what's gonna happen. Yeah, I'm pretty bullish on inauguration. I mean, I don't see why not. The only thing is obviously interest rates. That takes a big punch to the face if they decide to raise interest rates, or you know, having no more cuts for a little while. That'll kind of push it possibly sideways or just keep it in between where we are right now, which is like the 580 to 590 levels for a little while. But I don't know. It looks pretty bullish right now on the 4 hour and the daily charts. Um, as far as today's play, for this morning quick scalp play, I might take a short position. I'm looking to short it a little bit more, but obviously the biggest thing that we're looking at is the 8 EMA, and you know if it's supporting it on the 5 minute, then it should bounce off of it and push up more, and then possibly break this 585.25 zone. Only because the 15 minute also got a buy EMA, so we did have an 8 and the 34 cross. CPI and PPI was pretty good today. I think it was yeah, so 0.2 from 0.4. The Red Bull was 4% compared to the 6.8. PPI year over year is 3.3 compared to previous 3. Consensus had it at 3.4. So it was pretty good morning news. Not too bad, not too crazy like over news, but pretty damn decent. We do have Fed Williams' speech at 1 p.m. today. Some crude oil talks and monthly budget statements. But as I said, I might push towards the bearish right at the opening of our play. But if not, then we will push higher up. I mean, this could have been a great play. I mean, I was looking at it. My live wasn't working. It made me open it a live twice. I was trying to get you guys in here a little bit earlier. I don't know what the hell's wrong with YouTube, to be honest with you. Sometimes what you write in your caption throws them off. Some bullshit like that. That was an insane drop, though. I went from 585 to 583. Of course, something always has to happen. Damn. We should have just hopped in, guys. Good morning. Good morning. Elon by TikTok. Oh my God. Good morning, Top Hat. Good job, Willie. I'm glad you caught that. I mean, that's pretty damn big fall from the open. And the question is, does it want to go a little bit more, considering we're reaching the 200 and that we're not even close to the ADMA yet? It's dumping, man. It's dumping. I don't know if we should just hop in, but I like to be patient. I'll wait about another 5 minutes. This has extreme chop, honestly, on the day. So it's not looking like one of those very trendy days. It's looking to throw some people off the train. Looking like it's not one of those, 100%, okay, this should go this way or that way plays. Like we usually get. And most of the time on Tuesdays, it's usually like that. It's very indecisive. It'll throw you off. It'll make you think like this should fill the gap and then push right back up and push to newer highs. So it is looking like one of those days. So to get a perfect play on this, we got to be patient. I know you guys are anxious to get into a play, but as I said, we are putting more than we usually do on these plays, so we don't want to rush in. We can just take it one step at a time, be extremely patient. The 1 minute is getting across, which does not mean too much. We can still push up now since the SMI is pretty low. The SMI on the 5 minute is pretty overbought, but we did already get a drop, so it could curve and not be a continuation down. But all we really need is confirmation right now, like a vortex cross or another red candle here, and we can push down. Mm-hmm. So we are at the 582. So if we do short or long, we are taking 582s for SPY. Same thing with MNQ. You guys can short or long it. So it's looking like I'm gonna go short here. Let's see. Let's see what it wants to do. Yeah, I mean, it's pretty damn patient right now with it. I'll tell you that much though. If we do go long here, we are gonna be retracing a really big retracement, which I think it should, in my opinion. It's not as good of a play as I usually do like. So I'm letting you guys know from right now. This is not giving us what we usually get on a daily basis when we do these plays. So it's not as fun. It doesn't look like it's going to be as fun as it usually does, but I have some hopes for it. Oh, very, very tricky, guys. I mean, I know we could have got some nice play right here, but I am being very patient. So try not to be too jumpy. And per usual, if we don't get what we want, then we can just leave it alone and do something else a little bit later. So don't rush. Don't be too anxious to get in. We got to make sure we know what it wants to do. So, I mean, it was nice. If we got into some calls right now, it would have been really pretty damn easy right there. But still not picking a direction as we speak. Looking like it wants to go. So damn, man. Look how jumpy it is. As you can see, it's pretty damn jumpy. Retracement at the VWAP. That's why I'm not hopping in too quickly, but I'm gonna give it some time. So the end of the money is 583 now. I'm gonna wait this out a little bit longer than usual, because as I said, this is doing some funky shit. Here we go. We are in a 2-1 candle here. Let's see what it wants to do. I think we are gonna drop further down, guys. So I'm just being as patient as I could to give you guys the best possible play. I don't see this pushing up. I see this kind of as a H pattern that's about to be created. So I am going to be a little bit patient, a little bit more patient than usual. It is 7:05 right now. I can't hear him. Why can't you hear him, guys? Who's him? Oh, you talking about me? Yes, I am talking, guys. So just refresh your page if you can't hear me. Oh, God. Pushed. God damn it, man. Yeah, this thing is just playing games today. That would have been a good play, guys. I mean, we could have caught that retracement, honestly, but I don't like to getting into a play unless it gives me exactly what I want. That's just me. I want to give you guys that perfect quick scalp play, but looks like it did push back up. And right now we're gonna test that VWAP and see if this does act as the resistance for the day. And looks like it's not. Yeah, like I said, guys, it's not always perfect. It doesn't always go the way I want it to go. But and sometimes we don't have entry, so waiting it out is the best solution now because we don't want to chase it up and then it drops down, and we don't want to think that it should drop now without the perfect entry. It's resisting pretty well at the VWAP. I think we might actually get that drop. So, yeah, I mean it's resisting pretty well. I kind of like it, to be honest. I just hate that we got two green candles. I wish this would have stayed as a inside candle. The same thing we're getting here on the 15-minute. Yeah, that sucks. We could have caught this whole way up, man. God damn it. We could have caught that whole way up. Yeah, I know, pivotal. I saw that. I mean, it's on the 5-minute, and then you had the 8 EMA here. That was a good bounce. I just wanted to wait for it a little bit longer because I thought it would, try to flush out before it moved back up. As I said, you can enter these things, just because you're by yourself. It's your money. But for me to alert these things, I want to be perfect because obviously I got so many of you guys watching this, and I don't want to take it and then it flushes out and then half of you say, "Oh, I hit my stop loss." That's it's a little bit different to to alert something than to just say, "Oh, I took it. I thought this should work." Because as you know, sometimes 90% of us win, and that 10% of the people say, "Oh, well, it hit my stop loss right away." And I mean, it happens. Everybody has their own way of trading, but I don't mind. You know what I mean? I haven't been on here with you guys for a little while, so it's kind of good seeing you guys. And as always, I try my best to give you guys my best. Okay, and I'm trying to do at least 85 to 90% win ratio for you guys. So when you don't see me alert on certain days, just know that it's actually good for you. I'm literally not going to just jump onto anything just because, oh, I didn't play anything today. I appreciate you guys. Thank you for the words. We didn't do any play yet. Essentially retro. We're not in anything. We're just watching it right now, trying to see what it wants to do. which, as I said, I think we should get a big drop, but I don't know what the hell it's trying to do right now. Okay, we should be able to get initiation here at 7:15. About 3 minutes out. See if this wants to continue to go up and then push for higher highs or not. And it looks like it wants to. So I'm gonna go long on 584, guys. I'm gonna go long on 584. Here we go. Long on 584. Just took the calls. I'm gonna go ahead and take these. There we go. Percent. 2%. 3%. Push it a little bit more. Push it a little bit more. Yeah, well, yep. All right, closed half here, 4%. Don't want to risk pushing too much onto it, even though it's not looking like it wants to go back down. There we go. Another push. Even bigger push here. 184 to 195 now, guys. It's a nice 6%. Yep. Go. Give us one more little push. I like it. I'm going to leave runners here just for fun. Yep. Pushed out, guys. Pushed out. Okay. That one hit the stop loss on the rest of the runners. Done with that one. And now we look for the puts, as I said. Here we go. Not bad at all. And now we look for the puts. This is where we should get that nice drop in the coming minutes. All will tell. We're like 30 seconds out. 30 seconds out. It's a nice quick W, but we want to put a little bit more into the puts now. By the way, if anybody's in City with me, I mean, ticker C, it is up 42% now on those options. Just to let you guys know to close those out if you're in them. So ticker C, the 74 calls is up 46%. If anybody's in with me, while I have you guys here on the live, just letting you guys know to close out at least half of those or close them and leave some runners out. Nice $44 per contract on those. I'm going to try to go for puts very soon to see if that's the where it wants to go throughout the day. But like I said, the 4 hour right now is looking pretty bullish. And then we're trying to see if we can push this thing back down. I wish I would have set my stop loss a little bit lower on the 584 calls. Yeah, see, now it's going back up. Damn, man. We could have secured some more profits here, but it's okay. I just like to always set stop loss at break even whenever I take any, profits. I feel it's the safest way and the best way to not lose any money. Well, it's looking bullish through and through, guys. So I'm gonna take the calls again. It's looking good, honestly. I'm gonna take those 584s again. It's about the same price, 190 now. Here we go. I'm gonna try to take these again. They are at what, 586 right now? I mean, 186. So let's see if we can get a good entry back into them. Let's just hop in. Screw it. I'm in. I'm in these bad boys now. Let's see if we can get a bigger push this time around. Some weird ass candles be happening though. That was like a weird ass 3 candle that came at us. But those are the flush outs that I'm talking about. So that's why when I tell you guys, whenever we take entry, just relax. Those are the flush outs that I'm usually talking about. Let's see if we can get to the 585.25. With these 584 calls, I think we should be able to hit that. Think we should be able to get something like that. Hopefully it doesn't push us back down, but it should push up here. Here we go. It's looking good. Yeah, I'm at 184. Ganesh. Here we go. Come on, come on, come on, come on. Come on, come on. Don't do that. Don't do that right now. That's not what we need. What is this? Ah, come on. Don't do that. Push back up. It's not the time for it right now. Really? Really? Damn it, man. See, like every time I get into it, it does a flush out. It's like somebody knows me. Like it tries to flush you out to scare you out, you know. But even though, look, it's 100% looks like it wants to push up even further up. So that's why I'm not gonna let them scare me off. The SMI should reset here soon. I'm not gonna let them scare us off on this one. I'm Gucci. I should take some support here and push up. It should not drop at all. These little flush outs that it keeps giving us is just ridiculous. Yeah, see that? These little flush outs are just trying to scare anybody off into getting rid of the calls. It should push up nicely, in my opinion. That's just a stupid flush out. Should take support here on the 8 EMA, especially in the 5 minutes. And we should take off here soon. So patience, patience, patience. Sorry, guys, I'm back. I had to say bye to my sister. They are driving out to Arizona. All right, let's see. As soon as we see us go under this 8 EMA, we do have to take the loss on these calls. But as I mentioned, I don't think it should. I think it should act as a flush out and push up now. It's still not bad. I mean, we are at what 150, 152 right now. It's only 19%, 16% now. we should get a nice push. And we should be able to come out with at least the 2.10, $210 a contract. We should be able to get that out of this. Here we go. Be nice and patient with this. God damn it. What is it doing? Come on, support the ADMA and push up. That's all we need. You know you want to. Just don't drop too much. Just take that support here and let us get a W. Come on, man. Yeah, it's not supporting, guys. This might be an L. Just waiting on this area right here now. As you can see, for the gap. That's the only thing I'm waiting for, is for it to keep its support here. If not, then we are dropping. Damn, we should have taken the puts as I fucking wanted to, but of course, Randy. Come on, come on. You have to fucking support here. If not, we're gonna be taking a loss. I don't want to take my first L, man. Don't do it. Don't do it. Don't do it. Yeah. That sucks, man. That really, really sucks. I'm sorry, guys. It broke right through it. Yeah, I'm gonna have to take the L, guys. I'm sorry. I'm down already 3,500 right now. I don't know if I might average down just because we have the 8 EMA here. So I might actually average down. There was it at 38% down here. It's at 117. I might just average down, to be honest. I mean, it's still looking good on the 15-minute. I never do that, but this could be the one time that I actually do it. I still like it. I still like it to be bullish, but I don't know. It's a flush out. Like I'm telling you guys right now, this is a flush out. It's trying to take it. I'm not gonna close it, to be honest. I'm still gonna hold it. We're at 212 up, and then the 15-minute we got a 2-1 right now. If we get a 212 up, then I'm gonna average down. If we get a 212 down, then I am gonna close the position. So this is gonna tell me everything right now. If this becomes bearish, then we can take some puts and cover the losses right now. If it goes up, then we're gonna hold our position, be strong, and we could get that push that we've been waiting for. That's that's a brutal. I didn't play yesterday, so I don't know what was going on yesterday. But a lot of people told me the market was like shitty yesterday. But let's see here. They said it was very volatile. It was just like indecisive. I'm kind of happy I didn't play yesterday. So still not bad. Still looking like this can be a 2-1-2 up candle. But like I said, if this becomes any more bearish, then yeah, I'm out. Here we go. All will tell here. This is what it's going to tell us. Either we take the L here or we hold on to our position and even average down. I'm going to let you guys know. Whoever's still in with me, be strong. We got this. Whoever got out, that means you guys set a stop loss that you were willing to take. And that's all right. No worries. As I said, if we get one more shitty candle here down, then I'm out. Let's see. If this is another shitty candle, I'm out. Yep, I'm out. Yep, I'm closing it, guys. Some bullshit. I don't know what the hell it's trying to do, but yeah, I'm gonna take the L, guys. I am very sorry. Today was not what we wanted. It's looking like it wants to remain under the ADMA here. Looking like it wants to push down. And I took the L on that one. I am very sorry. That one was no bueno. God damn it, man. Yeah, I don't like it at all. I told you since the morning. Whenever I have a fucking feeling that the way it's moving is shitty as hell, this is I should from now on I'm just not even gonna make a play. If I see it's shitty, I'm gonna tell you guys peace. I'm out. It was just shitty since the morning. Look at this crap. I mean that's just indecisiveness, Look at that. Open big, drop back halfway through the gap, went right back up. Now it's dropping down again. It's like indecisiveness. But we are 4 out of 5 now in the year. That's my first loss of the year, and it's okay. As I said, we do take anywhere from 3 to 5 losses throughout the whole year. So you have just experienced the first one, and usually it does happen around these volatile times like January and stuff. So right now everybody's like confused what's happening, things like that. So it is what it is. I'm gonna head out, guys. I apologize. It was a shitty day. We'll come back and hit them harder and get all that and more tomorrow, and I guarantee that. Believe me when I tell you, whenever it's a day like this, the next day is 100 times better. trust the process. If you don't trust the process, guys, um, then it's okay. Hey, it's not made for everybody, but you're gonna take a loss at days, and you're gonna take W's at days, and that's just how it goes. If anything, now um, with this drop, it's looking like it wants to complete this back down, and then probably start pushing up again. Only because the 200 MA is going down further, so it could play out to push even lower. So no biggie there. Um, yeah, I apologize. This was the day we took the L, but no worries. We'll get back at them tomorrow, and hopefully a lot stronger. Yes, we do have CPI tomorrow. There's a lot of shit going on this week. So, like I said, if I see the same thing happening tomorrow, same bull like BS that's happening like today, then yeah, I'm just gonna skip the day and go on to the next. We don't want to play on these like big news days, just because it's always gonna try to flush you out, and that's not what we want. So now we got the levels of the day is 581.92. 585.08. These are the levels we're gonna keep an eye on. So support of 581.92, resistance of 585.08. Keep those two numbers in mind. And let's enjoy trading the rest of the day. The only thing we can be mad about is that we didn't close earlier. And if some of you did, then it's okay. You took a small loss. I took a 38% stop loss on that one. Had to get out. Flushed out more than I usually want it to. And it just, as you can see, turned very, very bearish now. And let's see if it breaks this ADMA, then we drop. If not, then it's possibly gonna start going back up the way we wanted it to. But that's what I'm gonna look for right now. Very important to know about the ADMA. We do have a buy EMA since yesterday. So as I said, it could push to that 585 zone. So we could possibly make our money back, if it pushes off this ADMA. Only thing I don't like is the SMI is pretty damn high, so it can push down, and it's probably gonna push down all the way to the 581.86 level. So take a look at that zone and see if you guys can push another play back up, which is very possible. But like I said, keep your eye on the SMI as well. We do have a vortex crossing here, and if we do get one here as well, then we are going to be extremely bearish now for an even bigger push down. So keep an eye on those guys. All right, guys, I am out. Thank you guys for everything. Appreciate you guys. If you need anything, Mr. Top Hat, that's my DMs on Discord. DM me, request a message to me, and I'll try my best to reply to everybody. Appreciate you guys. I'll come up with some fire plays for the rest of the day. Believe me, it's very easy to make that loss right back. So keep an eye on me and know that we're gonna be able to get this play back. Yeah, you can get the strap PDF. Yeah, just DM me, brother. Have a good day, guys. Thank you. Appreciate you guys. And I am sorry, we are gonna take some L's on certain times, but like I said, we are now 4 out of 5 on the year. And we will continue to do this, and don't worry about it. Never look at one loss as a big deal. That's what I try to teach you guys. It's very important to know that today's loss can be big W's for the rest of the rest of the week. So don't ever look at one loss and think, oh my God, I can't believe I just went down this much. Because tomorrow, the day after that, we're just gonna keep hitting bangers. So don't worry, don't trip. We got this, boys. Trust the process. As I said, this year I want everybody who's in here to trust the process. Throughout the whole 2025 year, I need everybody in here to be locked in, stay focused, stop looking at the negativity, always look at the positive things at the end of the day, because we play this day by day, and all we care about is at the end of each week that we are positive. And like I said, we're always positive at the end of the week, whether we take one loss um, on any given day. We're still going to have 4 big winning days, and that's all that we care about. So don't worry, please. Even if you're new here, ask around, ask anybody else. They'll tell you how long they've been following me. We've been doing this since July. We only took, I believe, 4 losses last year. So we are at our first loss this year. So imagine following 2025 this way. Just imagine that. So don't worry. You got this, guys. Love you guys. Love every single one of you. Appreciate you guys for always coming in to my lives. It's been almost an hour with you guys today. I think I owe it to you guys to give you guys some more bangers throughout the day, and I got you. So don't worry. Keep your eyes locked on my channel, and hopefully we can get at least some of it back today and get the rest back tomorrow. Much love. See you guys.